So I've laced up the left shoe for that cool look you get with your 95s when you finish it with a factory knot. So let's get into it. I'm going to place this one over here so we can see what we're aiming towards, and we're going to be lacing up the right shoe. So I'd recommend you pack out your shoe with some socks. If it feels like your foot's inside it, then you're going to be getting your laces just right for when you come to wear your shoes. So we're going to start off by taking the lace through that first hoop on the front of the shoe. So bring it halfway through and then catch the ends of the laces in your hands and pull up. And I just keep pulling on the lace until you feel like that slack has loosened off and you've got the same tension on both sides. So we're going to start by taking the lace, going to hold on to that so it doesn't slide through the hoop, taking the lace up through that outside hole, and then doing the same, holding on to your lace and taking that inside lace up through that first hole on the inside of the shoe. Then I'm going to take that inside lace, I'm going to bring it through the hoop on the tongue, and then up through the second hoop on the outside of the shoe. Then take that inside lace, bring it through the hoop on the tongue and up through the second hoop on the outside. And when I bring it over as well, I'm going to take it behind the lace that's already sitting there, so it sits on top. And then up through that second hoop on the inside of the shoe. Then take that inside lace, bring it across through the hoop on the tongue. And then we're going to take it up through that third hoop on the outside of the shoe. And take that inside lace, bring it through the hoop, sitting on top of the lace that's already in there. And then up through that third hoop on the inside of the shoe. And keep that lace in your hand, bring it across through the hoop on the tongue. And then up through that fourth hoop on the outside of your shoe. And take that outside lace through the hoop on the tongue, sitting on top of the lace that's already in there. And then up through that fourth hoop on the inside of the shoe. And keep that lace in your hand, bring it across and up through that fifth hoop on the outside of your shoe. And then the outside lace comes up through that fifth hole on the inside of your shoe. Now I'm just going to bring in my laces just a little bit as I go up, just to give myself enough lace to get that factory knot at the end. So then I'm going to take the inside lace, we're going to come up through that last hole on the outside of the shoe. And the outside lace up through that last hole on the inside of the shoe. I'm just going to check that my laces are as I want. Now just to let you see as well that the reason I always took that outside lace on top of the lace that already sat inside the hoops on the tongue is because it just gives you that pattern as you come up. And if you follow it on the other shoe, you also get that pattern coming up on the outside of the shoe. It's just an added little bit of detail that you might want to follow, or you might just want to lace your shoes, but I'm all about the detail. So I'm going to take those two laces now we've got, which should be the same length as each other. If they're not the same length, you might just want to go back through and just adjust your laces a little bit. So to get that factory knot, all you do is just bring the two laces together, wrap it around your finger, bring it quite tight to the shoe as well, quite tight up to the tongue, and take it around your finger, keeping it tight. And then these two laces here are going to come together and they're going to make that hoop. So keeping your hoop that you've made here nice and tight, just bring these through. So just catch them as they come through, like that. And if you want to tighten them up, if you hold on to this bit that goes round and just squeeze and bring them back through and squeeze again, you'll get your factory knot nice and tight. So there you've got your lace 95s finished with your factory knot for a cool, relaxed look. So there you've got your 95s laced with your factory knot. I hope that was helpful. If it was, please be sure to give it a thumbs up, and for future videos, subscribe. And to catch all the latest tutorials, click that notification button. Until the next time, thanks for watching.